In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Yahoo emails by date range. First, we're going to start by logging into your Yahoo Mail account. To do this, head over to the Yahoo login page and enter your email address in the designated field. Once you've typed in your address, go ahead and click on the Next button. This will prompt you to enter your password, so make sure you type it in correctly before clicking Next again to proceed. In case you encounter any issues while logging in, it's always a good idea to double-check your credentials and, if needed, use Yahoo's password recovery option. Now that you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself in your inbox, and here is where the magic starts. To narrow down your emails to a specific date range, we need to take advantage of the search functionality in Yahoo Mail. Look towards the top of the page where you'll spot the search bar, give it a click and select the advanced search option. This wonderful feature enables you to filter your emails more precisely, which is perfect for zeroing in on messages by date, making it much simpler to clean up your inbox effectively. In the advanced search settings, you'll see a date field. This is our key to specifying the start and end dates for the emails you want to locate. You can be as specific as you like here. Perhaps you're interested in emails from the past 6 months, or maybe you have a few years' worth of messages you want to clear out. Whatever your choice, carefully enter your desired date range to ensure you capture all pertinent emails. Once you've set your date range, hit the search button, and Yahoo will display all emails that match your specified dates. This is a great time to review what appears. You might even find 1 or 2 emails worth keeping. But if you're ready to delete, here's what you do next. Look for the Select All option to choose the emails you want to delete. This usually appears as a checkmark or a checkbox at the top of the email list. By clicking this, you'll highlight all the emails within your date range. Now, for the final step, which is about knowing where to click to delete. Find the Delete button, often represented as a trash can icon, and give it a click. Yahoo will then move those emails to the trash, where they'll remain temporarily, just in case you need to recover something. Keep in mind, emails in the trash are permanently deleted after a certain period, usually around 30 days. By following these steps, you've efficiently cleaned up your Yahoo Mail inbox by removing all those old messages. Keeping a tidy inbox not only enhances your overall email experience but also keeps your email storage optimized.